Hi everyone, in this video we will continue our AI learning journey. So today we will start our day 6 and our topic is like logistic regression. Logistic regression is nothing but it's kind of a classification. So the goal of our day 6 is like we need to understand classification. We need to build our first classification model and predict yes or no type output. So this is our agenda of our video. Before moving forward, we need to understand what is meant by classification. So classification means just categories. Means instead of predicting number, we need to predict categories. Means either yes or no. For example, spam, not spam, pass, fail, fraud, not fraud, yes or no. So this is a classification. Regression last video we had learned like regression. Regression means just predicting number. Classification means we need to predict categories. Categories means two options like yes, no, true, false, pass, fail. This is a classification. Okay. Now we just move to our next concept like logistic regression concept. So logistic regression means what? See here name is like regression but it is used for classification. It outputs probability like 0 to 1. Then converts to, for example, p greater than 0.5 is equal to 1 means it's a s. Sometimes means 1 is equal to s, 0 is equal to no. Now we just, so this is a basic concept of what is meant by classification and what is meant by logistic regression concept. So this is a basic theory about classification. Now we just move to our practical example. Okay, so before writing a program, definitely in part 1 we need to import some libraries. So pandas we know. Now we need to import one extra library like logistic regression. Okay, so we just go one by one. We just understand each and every part carefully and then we final execute the example. So now first we need to just go to Google Colab. Now we everything run over here. So this is my part 1. First we need to import. This is my GitHub. You just import this. First you just create Day-6 notebook. Just create a new notebook and just try to execute each part one by one. So next is like a now import library is done. Now we need to create a dataset. The example is for pass fail based on the study hours. Okay, now just go to GitHub. We just need to create our dataset. So here we just try to create our dataset. So if you see in the dataset, we just add hours like 1 2 3 4 5 and pass array. So we have a two arrays like hours and pass, and here we just use one data frame. Okay, now create dataset is completed. Now in part 3 we need to just prepare a data. For preparation data, this is a part 3. We need to check like we need to utilize this object like hours and pass. Okay, now we just need to train the model. For train the model we need to use logistic regression function. So here, see here what we are using, we are just using logistic regression function and we can just fit our x and y value. Next is like prediction. For prediction, this is our part 5. We need to use this like this. So here now new data is there and data frame is ours, and here we just add our input because this is our actual input 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we need to predict the value. For that reason we just add something random which is not here for prediction purpose. Okay, so now we just use a prediction object model.predict new data, and whatever output here it's just predicted. So this is a logistic regression. Okay, the output should be 0 or 1. Okay, so first we just try to execute this. Okay, what we did first, we just import the libraries, we just create a data set, we just prepare our data, we just add our logistic regression, and now we just predict the value. So just simply execute this. Let's see what output is there. It's running. See, the prediction is 1. Okay, the prediction is 1 means either true or false, pass or fail. So this is a prediction. For example, we just adding 7. 7 is not there, right? So let's see what happened. See, again prediction is 1. If we are passing 2.5, let's see. See, prediction is a 0, so it's work, right? So this is a uh, part 5. Our prediction is completed. Now we just move to our probability. So probability is like a part 6. We need to just understand this. So here what we need to do, so here the probability is like this is our probability. Now if we are saying 3.5, see this is our probability. Example output like 0 7 3 or something. So for example, I'm just adding this part 5 also. So this is my prediction, and here my prediction is 1 and my probability is something like this for 3.5. Okay, I think this line is double. We need to remove this and just try it again. See, prediction is 1 and my probability is there. So in this example we just try to understand how to predict the values and how probabilities is calculated. Okay, so meaning is like a 70% is a fail and 30% is a pass. So this is a example where we understand like how we can predict the values and how we can generate the probability. Okay, for probability we just need to use predict probability model dot predict probability. Okay, and prediction purpose we need to use model dot predict. So this two is very important, and we just use in this way in our example. Okay, so everything is I pasted over here. You can just try at your end and just try to execute this and just try to learn how it's generated. So it's kind of a classification, either pass or fail. Prediction in regression, predicting the numbers, and in classification either pass or fail. This is a category. So most of the means a key difference between, because in last video we had learned regression, and today we just learn classification. So what is meant by linear regression and logistic regression? So linear means normal regression, means just predict the number. Logistic means predict the category. Linear regression is output 70, 80, but logistic regression, the output either like 0 or 1. Linear regression is like a price, or here logistic regression, for example, or use case is like spam. Okay, so this is a key difference between the our last day 5 and today's day 6 ML. Okay, so this is our logistic regression, means in short classification. So these two terms are very important in ML. I hope you understand the basic concept about classification. Logistic regression means what, and whatever part we had learned, whatever we execute in our Google Colab, this example, you can just go through it. I already share the GitHub link over there, so you can just click this, and you can just use this program for execution purpose. Okay, this is a Google Colab. You just, whenever you start a Google Colab, or whenever we start our day wise journey, just I would suggest create a day wise notebook. For example, today we will start day 6 journey, then just create a day 6. This is your notebook, and in that notebook you can just try to execute all programs day wise. Okay, I hope you understand the today's topic like classification, the basic concept. It's clear, I hope. Okay, so just try at your end. I will share this blog link in the video's description. You can just go through it, just try to learn and execute the example at your end. Okay, okay, guys, thank you.